Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I got a brand new set, I've got a new TV that I can broadcast anything I want on, and I think that this will be pretty good. Let's get into the review. But before I get into the review, I want to thank Squarespace, the sponsors for this video. Have you ever thought to yourself, wow, I need a fresh and sleek website for my growing business or Minecraft server? Well, do I have the answer for you, and it's Squarespace! So what am I reviewing today, you might ask? Well, I'm glad you asked. Today, we're reviewing a few, Amiibo that I got recently. So, I'm gonna be reviewing them one by one, so let's get into it! So the first Amiibo we're gonna be reviewing is the Rover Amiibo. It's pretty nice. So I'm gonna unbox it. Here it is. It's pretty good, and I do like it. So as you can see here, Rover is nice and simple, like a lot of art in the Animal Crossing series. It's pretty good. I enjoy it. I like his blue color. It's very nice. And so I'm gonna put Rover away for now, and then we can get into Digby. Here's Digby. For whatever reason, I got this one in, it was a Japanese import. I don't know why, but it is. Let's open up Digby. I might need my knife for this. Where's my knife? Mom! Have you seen my knife? Where the fuck is my knife? Oh. I got my knife. Here is, Digby. I decided I don't feel like, switching from the pictures to the Animal Crossing gameplay every time, so I'm just going to, talk about Digby. He's pretty good. So, next up, we've got Tom Nook. I don't feel like recording anything on the turntable either. So you're just gonna have to take my word for it. Here's Tom Nook! He's definitely my favorite so far. He's got a little bit of detail on his, sweater vest. It's just got this little pattern to it that's pretty nice. He's got a big belly and a large ass. There's Tom Nook. So, Isabelle is the last one I got. She didn't come in packaging because I bought them all pre-owned, which I guess kind of explains the Digby situation where, he was Japanese. Here's Isabelle. Isabelle's, nice little statue. So, all of these Amiibo have, well, they're Amiibos, so they work in games. They're not just little sculptures. As you can see on the packaging, you can use them on your Nintendo Wii U or your Nintendo 3DS or your Switch, and I have a Switch. Let's switch to that. Go! So, right now, I've got my Switch set up, ready to use some of these little guys. Let's start out with Mario Odyssey. So we're now here in the Sand Kingdom, and I'm gonna start using some amiibo. I think these will just work with Mario Odyssey. Oh. It's a good old Rover amiibo. So he'll send my Rover amiibo out to look for a power moon. It's gonna take about 5 minutes to look, so come back in a bit. So I guess it'll give me a power moon in 5 minutes. So next, let's tap the Digby amiibo. So if we hold right, okay, and then tap it like there. Yup, there we go. So it gives me some coins. Let's try a different game. It says amiibo. You can now use the amiibo rune with the Sheikah Slate. You can change this setting on the options screen at any time. I assume that means with any amiibo, like these. So if it doesn't, fuck. So we're in Zelda. We're in a really white area, so I'm sure you guys can't see that. So I'll move somewhere better.